What's happening, YouTube? It's your boy JD Trades, and I'm back again with another market outlook. Guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also turn on that post notifications to get notified whenever I post a new video. Other than that, let's just get straight into the outlook. So, today is July 4th, 4th of July. In the United States, there is an Independence Day. Okay, so the market will be closed for the dollar. Okay, the dollar market will be closed. There won't be much volume inside of the dollar for today. We do have construction PMI for the pound that has already come out. We've also have the UK general election today. So, not the most eventful day. Okay, it is eventful in terms of the significance of each holiday and the general election for the pound. Let's talk a bit about the dollar and exactly what's happened yesterday and what my predictions were from Tuesday. So Tuesday we had that rally to the upside, was anticipating the dollar breaking this level here. Okay. Now this level here was the same level where we previously rejected from and we dropped from price, okay? As you can see there. Now price has come back into the similar area, and what we are seeing pretty much is price hold and react at the same area. We had a very nice pullback here on the 1 hour, which is your entry for the short to the downside. Now, this area, I did tell you guys on Monday that the dollar has, a pretty good chance of returning back down into this weekly imbalance sitting here. Right, once we come down into this area, we take out the liquidity to the low. We can then anticipate to see if we can get some bullish price action from there. Right, ideally, this could just be a pullback for us to continue higher. That's perfectly fine. Now, from this area, once we hold this area, or if we hold this area, shall I say, and we start to accumulate to the upside, there's no other reason for us to come down lower for the dollar unless if it is going to come for these lows sitting down here. Okay, so in terms of the week, I'm pretty happy with what price has done so far. However, we do have NFP coming up, so that can definitely still shake things up. Now, interesting enough, we are still holding above. If we go to the daily, oh no, we have broken the daily low. Okay, we've broken this daily low, so officially the structure is bearish on the daily. But we'll see if the weekly picture will, take precedent over this whole entire move. Okay, so we kind of just need to wait and see and let price form a little bit more. Next up is Euro USD. Okay, so EU has of course pushed up. Okay, the entry for the long was here on Wednesday morning. This is London session open, so you wouldn't have been able to capture that, ideal entry if you weren't, active during those time periods. Now we've reached back up into previous areas where we shorted from before prior. So, in terms of an area where price may potentially give us a move, we are still sitting in around the exact same area. Is this going to be a short today? I highly doubt it. I would have to say no. If I had to pick a side, I would definitely say no, just due to the fact that it is Independence Day today. So I'm not expecting much from price. Next up is GBP USD. We finally reached up into that 4 hour area and we've completely wicked out of it. It is still holding the area because the bodies of the candle hasn't closed outside of that candle, but it's not looking too great in terms of something that's highly probable. So I'll most likely stay out of that one for the time being. Next up is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is looking crazy, guys. Okay. I told you guys on Monday, I believe it was, that we've had a play into this area. We've dropped down. Sorry, it was Tuesday. And I said to you guys, look, if we get a pullback up to test, okay, this 2 hour slash this 1 hour area right here, we can get a move to the downside. Okay. And if you guys are paying attention to my market updates, my market outlooks, and you are marking up the exact same areas I'm marking out, because these are areas where you should monitor, right? If you obviously want the entries and stuff like that, my setups that I update frequently, it would have to be inside of my Telegram, which is the link to my Telegram is inside the description of this video. Okay, so we had that pullback up and then we had price dropping, dropping, dropping. Okay, we've had price pull up and drop multiple times. Okay, we've also got this daily area here, right? Remember what I said to you. If we take this daily low, then it's looking real techie. It's looking real interesting for Bitcoin. You know, Bitcoin can continue to drop, you know, potentially back down to 30K. Okay, it can do that. This is the crypto market. It's very volatile. So you have to be open to multiple outcomes. Okay, this can generally drop all the way back down to 30K. I would not be surprised if we have another potential pullback before continuing. Okay, let's of course see what the ETFs and a lot of the approvals are going to be for the crypto space, and that will definitely affect the market. Next up is gold. So gold, we have in fact, okay, broken higher for gold. Now, of course, earlier I was in some shorts. The shorts was posted inside of my Telegram. Now the shorts did prevail. It did hit the main target, but now we've seen price rally higher. Now this completely blows out any sort of bearish. Well, not completely. For me to say completely is a lie. Okay, it doesn't completely blow out any bearish sentiment I have for gold, because ideally, you know, gold has just returned back to previous areas. Okay, if we take a look at this other gold chart that I have, okay, from a 4 hour perspective, okay, all we've done is we've just pulled back up. Okay, we failed to create a new low. We've now pulled back up to premium prices to look for a good area to short from. Okay, that's pretty much all what price has done. Now inside of this 4 hour area is this daily candle up above here. Okay, is this daily candle up above here. Now with this area now where we're currently sitting, there is a good chance where price can give us a move to the downside, where we may create a new low, or we can potentially work inside of this daily candle down here, so we can get a pullback down lower before looking for another continuation to the upside, if that's what gold wants to do. But we've definitely left over some key lows, so we'll have to come back to this picture as it is forming. Other than that, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on that post notifications to get notified whenever I post a new video. Other than that, always remember the theory behind the practice, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.